my digital storytelling practice. 6 weeks can make a high school student become a college freshman. This summer, I attend the 6-week-long Cypress program, which helps international students complete transfer to the Seville Polytechnic Institute. I have a wonderful experience, and it's time to review it. I was a student studying in a common Chinese high school rather than an international high school. And I also attended the Gaokao, but I didn't achieve my self-expectation, so I decided to apply and study in an American college. After getting my offer in January, I felt nervous because I had no experience in studying in an English environment. Then I found Cypress and decided to join it. Before I came, my mother is a teacher in the university, so my impression of college and university is a huge campus which can hold 50,000 people or more. However, when I arrived, I found the whole campus is small and the buildings are old. Being a little disappointed, my Cypress began. The first problem I meet is Libby. Can't get accustomed to pizza, pasta, and hamburger every day. I need to live on my own for the first time, making the bed, washing clothes, and buying everything. I need to do everything by myself. It was difficult at the beginning because you have no experience before. However, after a few days, I was familiar with the new lifestyle, and I also became more independent. This was the first step to becoming a college student. Then I met my biggest challenge in exam. Fitting in English environment was difficult. Luckily, I had 2 courses teaching me how to communicate, practice, writing different kinds of essays, such as memo, persuasive essay, term paper, and academic essay. I practiced giving speeches on various occasions, like introducing classmates, what you know, or persuasive business speeches. They were challenging, and there are a lot of assignments to do, but I firmly believed I learned a lot of useful skills that I can apply in the future. Thank you, Cypress, for providing me a chance to practice communication in English, which I mostly needed. In addition to study, I also had many exciting and interesting activities in these 6 weeks, which helped me balancing my study and relax. A visit to the New York State Museum, seeing so many old stuff like infrastructure in New York City, such as subway and firefighters, make me very excited. I love those historic scenes which show me development and change in a city. The trip and another trip to an excellent amusement park, The Great Escape. This gave me the first glimpse to the American amusement park and their culture in play. I rode all of the top 3 parts, like the roller coaster and floating. This helped me encounter the American culture. Now, I get accustomed to almost everything in the campus. I can now get accustomed to the food here. Find a small campus is also very beautiful and interesting. I have learned how to live like a college student and how to manage my time, balancing between study and play. I learned a lot in the Cypress. I'm confident enough and looking forward to the fall semester. For the future, I want to develop myself to the college life, study well and play well, and find more opportunity in this exciting college. This is my experience in Cypress. I will keep it in mind and keep going.